I'm Donovan Spaulding. I'm a conservation biology major, and I'm from Bartlett, New Hampshire.
I'm Kate Andy. I'm a conservation bio major, and I'm from Concord, New Hampshire. We started this project a year ago now.
Yep.
We started a pilot study on the KIPP track here at St. Lawrence, and now we're expanding on that to the entire St. Lawrence County.
There's a state park up in Canada called the Algonquin State Park, and there's a habitat corridor that runs between there and the Adirondack State Park here in New York. And so we're trying to see if these habitat patches are of different quality, and so we're using game cameras to measure species diversity and species richness within these habitat patches, which is a good indicator of if they can move between, because there has been documented cases of a moose being in the Adirondacks going all the way up into Canada. And so the theory is there's wolves up in Canada and they can, in theory, make it down to the Adirondacks. So we're collecting like thousands of game camera pictures, and instead of us individually grading each one to see which animals are in there, we're opening it up to the community members. And so Zooniverse is a way for us to distribute these pictures to the community, and they can grade them, and they're interacting with our data, and they're being able to determine what kind of animals are in their backyard. And it also is helping us because we're getting data from it as well, and it's really great to see all the comments we're getting in and all the data.
And this in itself is kind of a pilot study for, we're working with Nature Up North. They're trying to engage the public in a citizen science outreach to use Zooniverse and to have game cameras accessible in libraries or in schools so that students can set up their own projects and help kind of compile this really large data set for the North Country.
In lab, we really interact with science.
We get to give each other feedback all the time, learn from each other, and it's just really a great way to make sure that we're on track, but also help them be on track, and how we can expand our research and what fields can we pull information from. It's really great. Between the two of us and Erica as well, we've gotten this project going off the ground a little bit, and I've learned a lot over this year in terms of the direction of the project that we wanted to go, so I feel pretty confident that with next year, what we can do with it and where we can take it, I'm looking forward to it.